In order to install YouTube on Linux, open your web browser and go to YouTube.com. Then click on this icon and press install. If you can't see that icon, click on this menu and go to save and share. Then from here, click on install YouTube and install it. If you don't see this option, then your browser might not support it. I'm using Brave, but any Chromium browser should work fine. Now you can launch the YouTube app directly from your app launcher and use it like a native app. If you want to uninstall it, click on this menu and press uninstall YouTube. Now I don't like this browser bar because it looks like it is running on a browser window. So let me share the second method where you don't get this bar. If you type your browser name space dash dash app equals then paste the YouTube link in a terminal, it will open that URL like a native web app. So create a YouTube.desktop file and open it. I will provide this code in the description. So copy and paste it here. It's basically executing the same command. Then place this YouTube desktop file in this path. And now you will be able to launch it from the app launcher. If you want to uninstall it, open the browser, click on this menu, then go to more tools and then show apps. Here you can find all the apps you have installed. Right click on an app and press uninstall.